share with you how you can get Canva Pro for free if you're a student. This is a secret.
Wow.
Canva is a graphic design platform where you can edit your CV, you can create photos for your social media, beautiful presentations, and it is for free. However, they do have a pro version, and today I'm going to share with you how you can get the pro version for free if you're a student. The first thing that you're going to do is go on Google and type GitHub Developer Student Pack. You're going to click on the first link. Then if you scroll down, you will see that they have different offers, and one of them is Canva Pro. You can get Canva Pro for free for a year, which is 12 months. Everything you have to do is click on Get Your Pack. You have to create an account with the email of the institution where you're studying. In my case, it would be my university. So you click on Create an Account. Once you've chosen a username, once you've written down your email address from your university, and you've chosen a password, you're going to create an account. I'm going to skip this step because I just created my account. Once you've created your account, you have to verify your email. Now you're going to log into your account. Then you're going to go to GitHub Student Developer Pack. You're going to scroll down and go to the Canva offer. Go to the section Get Access by connecting your GitHub account on Canva. You're going to click on that. Or what you can do, you can type the address canva.com/education/GitHub. Now you're going to sign in with your GitHub account. The next thing that you have to do is authorize access. And now you're in. You have Canva Pro for free for a year. The great things about Canva Pro is that you can use any type of font that you want to, or you can even export your own font. I'm going to show you, for example, if I scroll down and I want to use Cerebri font, you can see on the screen that this font is from Canva Pro. However, because I have the Canva Pro version, I can use it now, which is pretty cool. Now we'll move into the most interesting part. You can upload your own font. You just click on Upload Font. Of course, this is a feature that is only available on the Canva Pro version. That's why you should get Canva Pro for free if you're a student by following the whole tutorial that I just gave you. You click on Upload Font, Upload Font. You will confirm that you want to upload that font. And right now, I'm just uploading my files, and I will have the font that I want to use on my Canva Pro version.